So my daughter got herself a new, well not new, but 2006 Tundra, and she's getting ready. Shady, 2006 Tundra, and it looks pretty good, except for right there she got hit by the ugly sprinkler. And she's getting ready to put her bed liner in. She's cleaning up some of the rust, and we're going to put a rust encapsulator on it. And then we're going to put Raptor Liner on it. So we took the bed rails off. We're not going to put Raptor Liner here because I want the bed rails to go back in there. But we'll give you some updates of that. Okay, so this is the gun you screw onto the paint can after you get the hardener and stuff in it. And the way it works is you the higher the pressure, the finer the Raptor Liner. And so you just kind of spray it out. I know how I like mine. I like mine about 80 psi. So what you need to do is just get a piece of cardboard or something and spray some patterns on different pressure. So yeah, and so what it does is after you put your hardener in, you're gonna screw the lid on there, on that can, and then spray away. So I use 80 psi. It depends on how bloppy you want the bed liner to look. I'm gonna ask my daughter what she thinks, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, so this is the Raptor Liner we're using. We got black, and then this is the hardener. You have to put so much hardener in each one. So we're gonna have to mix that up, and there's a lot of different kind of mixing and things you have to do. Shaking, you have to shake it for quite some time. It comes with really easy instructions, so just remember that. And we're gonna put this grip on in some of the spots that are hard to sand, to help it. It's an adhesion promoter. So I'll get in the sun so you can see that adhesion promoter. And this is the self-etching primer that we sprayed on the metal in the bed and the bumper. So anyway, that's it for now.
Painting my sister's Toyota Tundra, and we got all the primer on there, and now we're just preparing it to get painted. So yeah, and then over here we got this swing out that we put on there, and that's gonna come out, hold gas cans and stuff. So
okay, so we got the second coat on, and we had a little spill right there, so we brushed it in, and then so that's a little bit darker there, so you won't see that when we're done because there'll be a couple more coats on. But we're gonna try to get 4 coats on this. But as you can see, it looks real nice. That's just 2 coats. Real nice, looks real good. It's 2 coats. So we got a couple more coats. Okay, so this is the finished product on Raptor Liner, black bed liner, and you can see you got a little glare coming from the window, but you can see how nice it looks. And turned out real nice. This is 2006, as I said before. Had quite a few dents in it, but you can still see some of them. But this bed liner just cleans it up, gets rid of all the dents. And so this is my first bed liner in a bed of a truck. I've done it on my shell and on bumpers before, so we'll see how well it holds up. And then this is the truck and the bumper, 3 coats. So you probably would have been okay just with 6 for the truck, maybe to get 4 coats. But I'm sure Rhino-Lex is Rhino-Lex, not Rhino-Lex, but Rhino Liner and Line-X is probably a little bit thicker than this, but I mean, call for $140, can't beat that. And maybe a little bit extra with some different kind of prepping materials and, you know, plastic and stuff to cover the truck. And I didn't do it in my shop this time, because I have a bunch of junk in the way. So this turned out pretty good, actually. The weather participated and got the wind kind of died down. So, but plenty warm out, drying really quick. So turned out really nice.